Hey guys, today we are going to be making some changes to the system. I know you guys like that. So what we're going to be doing today is getting rid of these ugly silver back boxes, and also I'm going to be fixing this. Because this wire, it's bugging me. I don't want it to be exposed anymore. But that's all going to be fixed today. So yeah, let's get into it. I recently ordered these white electrical boxes from Amazon, and it was $15 for 3. Or not 3, 5, my bad. But yeah, these are very good quality boxes. They have metal screw holes, and they won't strip out very easily. Now today I'm just going to be painting them red, because I think that idea would be really cool. So yeah, let's go out and paint. Hopefully this will work. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do some of the painting. I'm going to just do one for now, because I don't know. I might not like it, you never know. So I'll test it out on this one, and I'll see how it goes. Alright, so I've done this one, and I actually really like it. It looks really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more. I'll leave 2 of them white, because I only need 3 for my system right now. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest right now. Alright, so I have finished painting these boxes, and they look very nice. I actually realized that these back parts aren't going to be showing, so I didn't aim the paint can at them, but they still got pretty red. But yeah, this color looks so good. And I'm really excited to see what it looks like when it's dry. And I'm excited to put it up on the wall. So yeah, I'll be back when they're dry, and we can go ahead and take them inside. Quick update, I just did a second coat. It was looking kind of uneven, so I just went ahead and sprayed a new coat on it. And I sprayed it farther back this time. Hopefully that fixes the problem. Alrighty, it's now time to remove these old boxes and install our new red ones. Alright, our old box has been removed, as you can see. And we have these 2 wires. First one is the one that's actually stripped, and the second one isn't actually wired to anything yet. It just goes up to here for plans. I have plans for a future smoke detector. So that would be pretty cool, but yeah. Let's go ahead and get the new box. Alright, I'm going to be routing the wires through this rectangular hole right here, because if I do that, I can actually cover up this ugly hole, and I wasn't able to do that before, so I'll go ahead and get the wires. Alright, our box is pretty much installed. All I need to do is put the screws in that will hold it in place. And yeah, it's looking really good. This looks so much better. Like, I am honestly surprised how much better it looks. Now I just gotta do that box, but holy cow. I really like this. I also put a dual action cover on this 9754, so technically it's a 9756. And the reason I did this is the original cover, it came, these 2099 newer style T-bars are kind of notorious for these small hinges breaking. So unfortunately this one started falling apart when I'd open it. So I decided to put a more sturdy one in. And as you can see, this one has way less damage on the hinges. So yeah. Pole station box number 1 has officially been replaced. I probably won't record the other 2 as much, because I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, I really like this, and it looks really cool. Alright, so as you can see, the new boxes have been installed. They look really good, especially in here. with 2 red boxes now. But yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around, and I have walk test on, and we're going to activate each of the pole stations to make sure that I rewired it correctly. So let's get. Alright, that's pretty much going to wrap this up. As you can see, I have put up the devices from my last video, where I got these 9756 and these Wheelock MTs. And I must say, I was kind of debating putting Wheelock and Simplex on the same system, but it actually does fit pretty well. It looks pretty nice. And it also mimics my school with the Wheelock signals and the Simplex pull stations. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.